So I'm in my front yard here and I've got this edge right here that looks kind of nasty right here. I cut this edge with a spade shovel. So I've been trying to figure out how to cut these clean and have this nice clear crisp edge without using the string trimmer, because normally I come by with a string trimmer and come at it like this, and it just kind of softens that edge right there, and I don't like that. I like it to be nice and straight down. And you get that on the day that you use the spade shovel. Oh, look at that. Whoa! So look at that. Ooh, better not sting me. Looks like a hornet there, or a wasp or something. He looks like he's injured. So this wasp just happened to be right here as I was sitting down here. I don't see a stinger. Whoa! He tried to fly there. Let's see if I could throw him up and fly. Nope, he's done. So I've been trying to figure out a way to get this to not have this long stuff hanging out here. And I'm not really good with the string trimmer going straight up and down. I'm actually quite bad at it. So I wasn't sure what to do about this, and so I asked somebody local at my local garden center what I should use for this, and he recommended these right here. So I've never used these before. I just barely took them out of the package and I haven't used them. So these are Corona's G6 6750. I'll leave a link down below where you can get these, but pretty sure that Mr. Hain uses these. He kind of runs around the yard with that thing on his belt, and he's got his trimmers with him all the time. Maybe I could get one of those little side pocket pouches from Mr. Hain. But anyways, I'm gonna try this out. So here we go. Like I said, I've never used these scissors before, and I'm hoping that they're awesome here. So ooh, I do like that. I do have to say that is nice. When I'm cutting the lawn coming through here with the cylinder mower, I can just hang my mower over the edge just a little bit and it'll cut it. But it doesn't cut these pieces that are kind of growing out the edge. It just folds them over like this. And so it doesn't look so great. So I'm using these to kind of clean that up and trim the edge. This is kind of what it looks like when I come through here with the string trimmer. It just kind of shaves down this edge right here and kind of gives it just a soft edge right here. And I don't really like that. This edge kind of ends up turning into dirt, and it's just not a clean look. So the idea with these scissors is to come through here and just get it nice and crisp and clean. I would rather come through here with the spade to get it nice and crisp and clean, but that's a crazy amount of work, and I only like to do that maybe once or twice, maybe 3 times a year, because it does make the beds just a little bit bigger every time you come by here with the spade and cut a new edge. And so this is what it kind of ends up looking like when I come through here with the string trimmer. So here's an edge right here that just looks really bad right here. So I want to clean this up, and I think these scissors are going to do the trick. So let's see what this looks like. So I would have to say these things are awesome. It's gonna be quite tedious doing all the beds this way all the time, but man, that looks good. I am happy with that. That cuts off all those long stragglers, so now I can just come over here with a cylinder mower and mow right over the top. These things are cool. So there it is, folks. That gives a nice, clean, crisp edge with these scissors. These are the Corona GS 6750s. Man, I like these. They're about 30 bucks or something. It's kind of expensive and it's kind of tedious to come by and cut the edges like that. I shouldn't have to do it that often, maybe once a week or maybe every couple of weeks. But it looks fantastic. It looks great. And I'm down with these. Now, how do I keep these clean? That's what I need to know. Should I oil these, or what should I do? Just wipe them off, clean them, oil them? how am I going to keep these clean and how am I going to keep these sharp? So, but I'd say that's a big improvement over what was there. So, and I don't dare to come along here with the string trimmer on end. I just don't dare. I've tried it before and I'm no good, and it'll just make a mess and I'll end up beating up the edges and it's just not worth it to me. So I'll just maybe use these, or I've never used these in the past, so I've always just kind of continue to come through here with the shovel and with the spade to give that nice smooth arc that looks fantastic. So if you're as serious about this whole deal as I am, I'd recommend these. And you can resharpen these, so kind of looking forward to these, and I hope I get, you know, several seasons out of these. Reminds me of the cut that I get with that cylinder mower, because it's just nice, crisp, clean cut. And these are fun to use. Don't kid yourself, people. And you know it. You know you're jealous of these. So I'm gonna get my mower out and kind of see about cutting again. Cut that section over there yesterday. I want to cut again. I like cutting. It's fun to me. I love to mow. So I'm gonna mow. Is that okay? Better be, because I'm gonna go for it. See how clean and crisp that looks when I just roll the mower right around on the edge like that? The cut with the scissors, the cut with the cylinder is awesome. I'm really happy with that. And it looks good. So I want you guys to tell me what you guys think about these and about what else I might be able to use these for, and if you guys would try these yourself. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I will see you in the next one.